I'm going to be showing you if you can edit a Reddit post title. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to know first is on Reddit, you cannot edit a post title after it has been posted. So Reddit locks titles to prevent people from changing the meaning of the posts later. So what you can do is edit the post content instead. So the first step is to open your Reddit app. As you can see, it's right there at the top. Just go ahead and open it. Once you've done so, you just need to find that post. So to find your post, you just need to look at the top right where you can see your avatar and just tap on profile and you should find your post here. So once you're here, you just need to look at the top right where you can see this three-lined button and just tap on edit post. Once you're here, you can change the content of your post, and that's what you can do. Just change and tap on post. And now you have successfully edited a Reddit post. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.